11 years old? He's in the 12th grade?
What?
He's going to try to get into the Math Olympiad eventually. He wants to go to an Ivy League school. He has a YouTube video in which he's doing the elemental table at 2 years old. All right, what is this one?
Latia.
Hey, give me 5. Okay, what is this one?
Beryllium.
All right. And what is this one?
Boron.
Boy, what is this one?
Carbon.
Boy, you're going to go to college. Tell me about you. What's happening? What are you doing?
So I've recently been thinking about applying to college. So part of that, I want to get into the Math Olympiad. But obviously, that's pretty far away. And the first thing I needed to do was pass the AMC. So I really like doing competition math. It's very fun for me. So I've been doing the AMC the past 2 or 3 months. And I've been preparing for it. It's in November.
And how have you been doing on the practice tests?
I've been doing pretty good, getting about 90 or 100 out of 150.
Oh, wow. Great. Great. And what do you think you need to be able to do to get into the Math Olympiad?
Well, the Math Olympiad itself is pretty far away, but to get the qualifying score for the AMC, that's about an 85 to 90.
So you're there. You're at the 85 to 90 now, and you still have more time to prepare. Now, how do you prepare? Do you have a tutor? Do you go to classes? Or what do you do to prepare?
I just take some practice exams and
Good. So, in 3 months you're going to apply to college.
hopefully for early decision.
Early decision. Now, where do you want to go?
I really hope an Ivy League, but not I haven't.
And what so you hope for the Ivy League? Is there a preference that you have among the Ivy League schools?
Not really. Well, I'd rather have something like Yale or Columbia than Dartmouth.
Right. Why?
I just feel it's more convenient and also more convenient.
Right. So my daughter went to Stanford.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And Stanford is...
She also went to Harvard.
She also went to Harvard.
Wow, that's a great achievement.
Yeah. She went to Stanford, she went to Harvard. Your father probably told you I went to Harvard. Yes. And, but she really liked Stanford more than she liked Harvard because the weather in California was terrific. And she liked being in the sunshine and whatever it is. But Stanford was very, very good compared to some of the Ivy League schools. Because when you get admitted to Stanford, they sort of take you under their wing and they care about you as an individual. A lot of the other schools, you're on your own in terms of what you do. So I think the Ivies are great. I think Yale in that regard is better than Harvard in that. But, Stanford is terrific. If you really want to do very scientific stuff, and I saw it is Caltech or MIT. So you can apply in 3 months, and you don't know whether you're going to do. Are you going to do early admissions or not? Do you know?
Not yet. I'm still making that decision.
Is there an advice? Which high school do you go to?
Malvern High School.
Which is a local high school?
Yeah.
And do you have a counselor, an advisor who tells you?
Yeah, I have a counselor, and I've spoke with her a few times, but we haven't figured that much out yet.
I might know somebody that could give you some advice on this. So what I need from you is, you have a resume? Not yet? Okay. What I would like you to do is, if you could send me a 1 or 2 page letter. And the letter really has to do with, and I will send it to your father, what I want in the letter. It's like who you are, what do you want to be when you grow up, and how does the type of college help you to become what you want to do. You're going to become my hero. But don't forget about the 2-pager, 1 or 2 pages. Describe it. It's like a college essay. where you're going to describe what you want to do. And you don't have to say, I want to be in X number of years. You can say what your goal is and whatever it is and what you've been through and why this is important to you. I want to show that to a couple of people out there. I want to see if they can help you not only get into some place, but if you can get a scholarship to one of these institutions, which will be very helpful to your parents in terms of doing that, because to get to an Ivy League school is very, very expensive. But if they could look at this and say, I want to provide something for this young man that will help him get to the next level, I want to be able to participate in that.
Posman, can you ask me again?
Let's see. Yes, I can. How does the circuit work, Isaac?
When the voltage kicks the electrode carry the charges, and the resistance tries to stop them from moving, and that lights up the bulb.
That is very interesting.